Hi guys, are we live? We are live. Hi guys, this is Huma Qureshi and I've taken over AK's Instagram page. But before you guys are wondering what's going on, let me welcome Sir. Would you please join us?
Okay, if you move.
Yes, sir. So guys, before we go on to anything, sir, happy birthday. I'm sure all your fans want to wish you a very happy birthday. How did you celebrate your birthday?
How did I celebrate my birthday? I went with my family to a place called Glen Eagle. It's a nice resort kind of place, and we had a lovely picnic there, and we played around there the whole day, and that's it. Just to be with the family, that's the most exciting thing.
Of course.
Anybody can have on his birthday. So that's all I did.
All right.
And the producer was very kind enough, Mr. Vashu Bhagnani and Jackie Bhagnani and Honey Bhagnani to give me an off that day.
Nice. Thank you, sir. Because of you, we also got an off. So thank you for that. That was a good gift for us as
But
well.
that's not a nice thing to say after lockdown.
No, sir,
You should not be even talking about having an off.
No, sir,
I had a reason. It was my birthday.
So the whole country celebrating your birthday. If we got a day off, I think it's not a bad
Sure,
thing.
sure. Huma, I believe you.
Anyway, we have another guest joining us. In fact, the world famous survivalist and adventurer, Mr. Bear Grylls. So can we get him to join us? So sir, as you can see how good I am at this. Da-da-da-da. These are the questions.
Can you not do it?
Mr. Bear is not here. Yet. I have a lot of questions to have to ask you. Because as you guys know, we are talking about something really cool today. This is about your new show called Into the Wild with Bear Grylls, which drops tomorrow. So while we're going to wait for him to join with us, I'm just going to keep talking because anyway, I
Where
love
is
the
Mr.
sound of
Bear
my
going?
voice. Mr. Bear, are you here? Let's see. Did he join us? Those are the questions. Guys, also keep writing to us like the wittiest and the most fun questions I'm going to pick up and I'm going to ask AK. So
Wait, I'll just...
ask your heart out. So let me in the meantime tell you about the show, which is the world premiere of Into the Wild with Bear Grylls and Akshay Kumar, which drops tomorrow on Discovery Plus and premieres on 12 Discovery India channels at 8 p.m. on September the 14th. So now you have all the information. You must have seen the trailer. I'm very excited. And I'm waiting for Mr. Bear to also ask him that he should also call a lot of girls.
One second. I'm also not that good. And then how to get with this.
Hello.
Huh?
Hi.
So she should know.
Right. You can actually request to invite. Sorry, could you just request once again because I think it's got lost here within all the comments.
Yeah, guys, we have been bombarded with so many comments, so we're looking for Mr. Bear.
He's lost in the jungle.
He's lost in the jungle. But we will find him and we will find him today. You know, I've got so many requests for people to be in this live video, guys. You know, that's really not possible, right? Like, that is not good. So let's view that. And so many hearts and emojis.
So to request someone,
Let's see.
Go live with there's like 2 people.
The excitement level is. Hello, Radhika.
No,
Oh,
so
there
there's,
he
like,
is. I
faces.
found him.
Oh, we found
I
you.
found
we
him.
found you.
Go live.